morning. We are going to discuss about bioenergetic. Bioenergetic or biochemical thermodynamics is a study of energy changes accompanying biochemical reactions. Gives change in free energy. Is that portion of the total energy change in the system that is available for doing work. Example is useful energy, also known as chemical potential. Entropy is defined as a measure of randomness or disorder of the system. Enthalpy, which is the heat content of the system. Enthalpy is the amount of heat energy transferred in the chemical process under constant pressure. When delta H is negative, the process, or enthalpy is negative, the process produces heat and it is termed as exothermic. When the enthalpy is positive, the process absorbs heat. It is termed as endothermic. The entropy is quantitative expression of degree of randomness or disorder of system. Entropy measures the amount of heat dispersed or transferred during a chemical process. Entropy is positive, then the disorder of system is increased. When entropy is negative, then the disorder of system is decreased. The conditions of biological system are constant temperature and pressure. Under such condition, relationship between the changes in free energy, enthalpy and entropy can be described by the expression where T is the temperature of the system is Kelvin. Delta G equal to delta H minus delta T delta S. Gibbs energy is delta G. Changes in the enthalpy is delta H. And temperature is in Kelvin and delta S is a adenosine triphosphate, otherwise called as ATP. ATP is a multifunctional nucleotide used in the cell as a coenzyme. It is often called the molecular unit of currency of intracellular energy transfer. ATP transport chemical energy within the cell of metabolism. It is produced by phosphorylation and cellular respiration and used by enzyme and structural proteins in many cellular processes including biosynthetic reaction, motility and cell division. The three main functions of ATP in the cell. The function is transporting organic substance such as sodium, calcium, potassium to the cell membrane. The second function is synthesizing chemical components such as protein and cholesterol. And third is supplying energy of mechanical work such as muscular contraction. The energy released by the giving either ATP or 1-phosphate pyrophosphate unit from the ATP at standard stage of 1 minute. ATP plus water equal to ADP and release of energy plus phosphate. Cycloadenosine monophosphate. It is also a kind of secondary messenger in the biological process. CAAP is derived from the adenosine triphosphate and used for the intracellular signal transduction in many different organisms. Conveying the CMP dependent pathway, CAMP is synthesized from ATP by adenylyl cyclase located on the inner side of the plasma membrane. Adenylyl cyclase is activated by the range of signaling molecules through the activation of adenylyl cyclase G or protein coupled receptor are inhibited by the agonist of adenosine cyclase inhibitors, G protein coupled receptors. Liver adenosine cyclase responsible more strongly to glyco and muscle adenosines, I guess, respond for strong to the